We're going to explain how to open large Excel files without crashing your computer. 1. First, make sure your computer has enough RAM. Large Excel files need a lot of memory. If you're running low, close unnecessary programs to free up some space. Next, consider the file format. XLSX files, the newer format, are generally better optimized than older XLS files. If possible, converting an older file to .xlsx can improve performance. 3. Excel itself has some built-in settings you can adjust. Go to File, Options, Advanced. Under Display Options for this worksheet, uncheck Show Formulas and Show Grid Lines. These are visual elements, and turning them off can speed up loading times. You might also consider reducing the number of calculated columns. Reducing calculations reduces time needed for opening the files. Data reduction is key. Large files often contain unnecessary data. Try to delete any unused columns or rows. If you have lots of data you don't need right now, consider saving it as a separate file before trimming down the main one. This is really helpful with large files. 5. Consider using Power Query, Get and Transform Data. Power Query allows you to connect to and import only the specific data you need from the Excel file, rather than opening the entire file. This is perfect for analyzing a portion of a massive dataset without loading everything into memory. You can filter and refine your data within Power Query itself before loading it into Excel. Utilize 64-bit Excel. If you're using a 64-bit operating system, make sure you're using the 64-bit version of Excel. 64-bit Excel can handle much larger amounts of RAM than its 32-bit counterpart. This could be a huge difference when working with very large files. 7. Break down the file. If you're still having problems, consider splitting the massive Excel file into smaller, more manageable ones. This might involve saving different sections or worksheets as separate files. 8. Employ external tools. Programs specifically designed for handling large datasets, such as specialized database software or data analysis tools, are excellent alternatives. These tools are usually optimized for speed and efficiency with massive data volumes. 9. Upgrade your hardware. As a last resort, consider upgrading your computer's RAM or even your hard drive to an SSD, solid-state drive. SSDs offer significantly faster read and write speeds, which will dramatically improve the loading times of large Excel files. Remember that preventative measures are best, so try to keep your Excel files as organized and slim as possible to avoid these issues in the future.